free psoriasis healing ebooks available. Send a request email to psoriasis.superwoman@gmail.com to receive these ebooks. Happy healing to everybody. Eating tomatoes can flare up psoriasis. Tomato is a nightshade vegetable. Nightshades are the vegetables that belong to the Solanaceae family of plants. Majority of them are non-edible due to high toxicity. Only a handful of them are edible and used for food. Commonly used nightshade vegetables in human diet: tomato, white potato, eggplant, peppers, chili pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika and capsicum. Note: sweet potato and black pepper are not nightshades. The toxicity level in these edible nightshades is too less to be concerned about. That's why, the general population with healthy digestive systems can consume these edible nightshades every day without much issues. In fact, tomato and other edible nightshades got many of the vital nutrients for a variety of health benefits. But, if you are dealing with an inflammatory health condition related to a compromised gut and immune system such as psoriasis, or psoriatic arthritis, then these edible nightshades come with a precautionary alert to you. Why tomato and other nightshades are troublemakers for psoriasis. Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune skin issue. The faulty and confused immune system overreacts and causes rapid growth of skin cells to develop thick psoriasis patches on various parts of the body. It results in skin dryness, itching and inflammation. As discussed, psoriasis is caused due to disturbed immune system, and more than 75 to 80% of the immune system cells live in the gut, the digestive system. Thus, psoriasis is directly linked with poor gut health. Anything that improves your gut health, digestive health, will automatically improve your psoriasis and vice versa. How nightshade vegetables affects the gut health. Below listed components in nightshade vegetables can trouble the gut health, digestive health, to anger your immune system and trigger autoimmunity. Alkaloids, lectins, calcitriol. What are alkaloids and why are they harmful? Alkaloids are a group of naturally occurring compounds that are found in the plants of nightshade vegetables. Generally, these alkaloids are found in the leaves and stems of the vegetable plants and contain a certain level of toxicity to protect plants against animals, pests and insects from getting eaten. But, the edible portion of these plants which is to be used for human consumption also got some of these alkaloids. And, when consumed, cause inflammation, disturb gut health and several other detrimental effects. Studies suggest that all these ill-reputed alkaloids worsen leaky gut syndrome to trigger autoimmunity when consumed in higher amounts or regularly. In the natural, alternate, healing, leaky gut is considered as the root of all autoimmune problems including psoriasis. The leaky gut simply means leakage in the gut. It refers to the phenomenon when the walls, lining, of the digestive tract get damaged and allows toxins, undigested food, harmful microbes and heavy metals, to pass through and pollute the bloodstream to trigger an autoimmune reaction. Calcitriol. Calcitriol is a potent hormone that can result in calcium deposits in the soft tissues of the body, when consumed in high amounts. It is known as soft tissue calcification. Chronic calcification can trigger joint pain and inflammation. So, If you have psoriasis or psoriatic arthritis or both, you would better avoid it. Lectins. Lectins are carbohydrates-binding proteins, found in all foods. Not all lectins are bad. But, the lectins found in common food allergens such as dairy, grains and nightshades are gut irritants. These lectins are hard to digest and sticky in nature that bind with the intestine walls to damage intestinal permeability and worsen leaky gut. What do the experts say? To eat or not to eat nightshades? According to John Pagano, author of the famous book Psoriasis Healing, The Natural Alternative, nightshades should be better avoided for psoriasis healing. Once your psoriasis is under control, you may consume them occasionally in small amounts only. Dr. Norman Childers, Ph.D., in his book Arthritis: Childers' Diet That Stops It says that nightshades are one of the major causes for various arthritic problems, including osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. According to a report published by Dr. Childers's Arthritis Nightshades Research Foundation, eliminating or cutting down on nightshades can greatly reduce the pain and inflammation. The final opinion. Complete elimination of tomatoes from your diet is an easier said than done task. Tomato is an integral part of everyday diet for many of us. But, considering the complex and stubborn nature of psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis, it does require some tough decisions to keep the things under control. If you are dealing with a psoriasis or psoriatic arthritis at the moment, better to avoid the tomatoes completely till improvement. When psoriasis is under control, you may consume tomato in limited amounts. Tomato, raw versus cooked. Which is better? Boiling or cooking reduces the alkaloid content of all nightshades by 40–50. Hence, if you are going to eat tomatoes anyways, at least doesn't eat them raw. What about tomato ketchup, tomato sauce, soup and paste? Tomato sauce or ketchup is loaded with added sugar, vinegar and artificial preservatives. They are highly acidic in nature and offer no nutritional benefits. They hardly contain any protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. Also, we have recommended using tomatoes in moderation, but these foods got a very high concentration of tomatoes. So, it's a big no to tomato sauce or ketchup. Avoid them. Useful tips to consider when consuming tomatoes. Never use green tomatoes. Use full ripe tomatoes instead. They are low in alkaloids. For replacement, you may try lemon juice in place of tomatoes to get the tangy, sour taste in your curries. For color, you may try carrots or beets in place of tomatoes. Please like this video. Share it with your friends. Please do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching Psoriasis Center.